$1 is more than you need. Let's make something clear here right away. Just saving $1 a day won't make you a millionaire. In fact, if you still believe in extravagant and easy ideas to get rich, know that you're not alone. There are plenty of people who have been deceived by charlatans who make money off their accounts. But I don't want you to leave this video, because what I have to say here is important, especially for you. By saving $1 a day and following the line of reasoning I'm going to show in this video, I can assure you that you'll become a millionaire in a period maybe even shorter than you could imagine. So let's go. If you save $1 a day, at the end of the month, you'll have $30. Then, at the end of the year, you'll have $365. In 10 years, it'll be $3,650. At the end of 40 years, it'll be $14,600. But in these calculations, I didn't use compound interest. If you have a return of 1% per month, at the end of a year, you'd have $380. At the end of 10, almost $6,500. And at the end of 40 years, almost $250,000. Now, if we increase our return to 2% per month, at the end of the year, you'd have $400. In 10 years, $12,800. And at the end of 40 years, $940,000, almost reaching the magical number of 1 million. But let's go. First, you don't want to wait 40 years to have a million, right? By then, there's a chance you won't even be alive anymore. Second, getting a return of 2% per month for 40 years is almost impossible. It's easier to win the lottery than to achieve that feat. Third, I didn't even mention inflation here, which will erode all your money. $1 million 10 years ago was a lot of money, but today it still is. But if your consumption pattern is high, that amount won't guarantee you financial independence. Now, imagine $1 million in 40 years. I'm sure you won't get very far with that money. As I said, just saving $1 a day won't make you a millionaire, not even if you took $1 and invested it with very high returns. But wait, now you're asking yourself, how will $1 a day make me a millionaire? This is the dollar that will make you a millionaire when you accept a change in mentality. Let me explain. Let's go to a story to illustrate this. More than 60 years ago, in 1954, there was a record that hadn't been broken yet. Maybe you already know this story. The record is that it was impossible for a human being run a mile, about 1,600 meters, in less than 4 minutes. It had been 9 years since the record was 4 minutes and 1 second, and no one could beat it. But that year, a medical student, who wasn't even a full-time athlete, managed to beat that mark. And 46 days later, someone else had already beaten his record. Today, more than 1,300 people have achieved that mark. And there was even someone who did it in less than 5 minutes, juggling. And this story goes along with what Henry Ford once said. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. And that's what I want to show you in this video. Saving $1 a day can make you a millionaire. Now, see how it's the reality, and then ask the people around you how their financial life is going. Many of them will complain. Most of these people have a spending behavior. They can't save. They'll always spend what they earn. Some are even worse. They spend more than they earn, dodging others and getting into debt. Only a few people have the opposite behavior, which is to spend less than they earn. And not surprisingly, millionaires are in that group of people. Because you can't be a millionaire if you spend everything you earn, so just not spending everything you earn already puts you ahead of a good part of the population. So it all starts with what you have in your head, with your mentality. If you believe it's impossible to run a mile in less than 4 minutes, it will be impossible. If you believe it's impossible to spend less than you earn, it will be impossible. And then, if you save just $1 a day and invest it, not withdrawing it anymore, you'll break that paradigm that hinders your financial life. That paradigm of needing to spend everything you earn, of being a spender. You'll transform it into another one, that you're a saver and investor. And from there, everything changes in your life. You'll wake up early and think, I can eat at the bakery and spend $10. Or I can have a snack at home and save $5. I can buy that branded shirt to impress others. Or I can buy that basic cotton one, much cheaper. And that I know will also serve me well. I can buy the latest generation cell phone for status. Or I can make a list of what I need on the phone and see which one offers the best cost benefit in the market. And with these, and all the other small choices you make throughout your life, your reality takes shape. What you live today, whether good or bad, is a total consequence of the small choices you make every day, from waking up until bedtime. So when you understand this, you can change these behaviors and save not only $1 a day, but dozens a day. Because now you have a reason and clarity. Besides, if you go beyond with this thought, you can start educating yourself to increase your earnings and also improve your investments. And not that this is an easy and quick path, nor that everyone will be able to reach the point of being a millionaire. But let's go. Who do you know who can religiously save $1 a day? So you can start here. Because starting with little, you can change your mindset and your choices, and consequently, change everything in your life. To reach the day when you'll look back and think, wow, what this guy said was true. It was with that $1 a day that I started becoming a millionaire. Maybe you won't be able to have $1 million in your account, or maybe you won't even want to. But I'm sure that saving $1 a day will make you a better person. Not only financially, but also in other areas of your life. Thanks for watching until here, and until the next video.